Ever wondered how to upload movie to MovieBox? I will show you a quick step right now, because here I will show you how to upload movie to MovieBox. Now, to upload movie to movie, as you can see, you can't upload movie inside a MovieBox. See it, you can't upload movie. See it. Now, in order to upload movie, what you will do, watch closely. Now, what you will do, open your browser. Now, click on your search bar here. Now, type this, alright, create moviebox.com like this. Now, add it.com here. As you can see, now click on search. Now wait for it to open. As you can see, now click on this first icon here. Click on it. Now wait for it to open. As you can see here in the platform, you can see it. Now see it. See the requirements. See right up. Now here you add your full name, your company name. Here you add your email. Here you add your telephone number. Here you add your movie title, the title of the movie. Here you add the programs. You see movie. You see. Here you add metadata language, which is the language the video will have. Here you add the symphonies. Here you add the genre, if it's action or any. Here you add it. Here you add the country of origin. You see it. Here you see the rating. You add the rating. You see it. Here you add the movie crews and people that cast it. Here you add your trailer, which will summarize the movie. Here you can see here you upload the caption file. You see this. Now, after filling all these requirements, what you do is just click on this submit in order to submit it, and wait for the Arise Play MovieBox team to review your content and then upload it to the MovieBox app. Also, make sure your content is in terms with their write-up description. This is the only legal way in order to upload your content on MovieBox. So if you find it video helpful, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And most of all, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.